Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the JBL Junior 470NC Kids Bluetooth headphones. The easiest way to perform a factory reset is to connect the headphones to the app and then just scroll down to the bottom of it and select Support. In here, click on Reset to Factory Settings followed by Reset. The actual reset is basically instant, whereupon the headphones are then left in a pairing mode state indicated by the little blinking light on the right ear cup. You can also perform a factory reset using just the buttons on the actual headphones. To do this, begin by powering the headphones off by holding down the power button for a few seconds. Then, with the headphones powered off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button together for just over 5 seconds and then let go of both buttons. Here too, the headphones are then left in a pairing mode state to be connected to any new device. Also note that there's no voice message or anything else indicating that the factory reset has actually been completed, but as long as the headphones are in pairing mode, it should all have gone like intended. Alright, that is about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!